2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, tow hitch, power sunroof, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.